Good morning, everybody. Mike Vaki, Princetontrader.com here for ntmarkets.com with your Thursday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, 5-minute chart of the ES, which I'm going to turn into a 15-minute chart right now because that's what I thought I had in front of me. Okay, you see the lows down here at 1809.5. Basically, at that point into Tuesday and yesterday, it's been essentially straight up, and we are seeing a little bit of a hint of an adjustment or a pullback. I think it's incredibly premature and biased, to be very honest with you, to call what's happening here so far a double top. If you're doing that, you are probably short or already short, and you need this really, really bad. And I understand that. We've all been there before. But I think what is more accurate is to say that we've had a potential lower high versus 1846.5, and we'll have to see how the market does as it pulls back into. I'm looking at the green line here, which is, it's good to see visually today because it's the first support level on the daily pivot, 1833.5. That 33.34 is still going to be important. The bears did well last night to get back below 40 and back below this line here. This is the 50-day exponential moving average on the 15-minute chart, which was support here and here and here and here, and it broke, and then it went resistance. Let me get a little tighter. So we've been riding it as support. Now you've got resistance and resistance. So the bears can get a little bit back today. Right here is the 40 area, which was really the moves to the 40 area. In the 10 o'clock hour and then again in the 2 o'clock hour were really the only two opportunities yesterday to get long for what was essentially the second trend up day in a row. The only thing that the bulls didn't accomplish yesterday was to take out the highs at 46.5. So should they have done that? In a perfect world, yeah, that should have really gotten done, but it didn't. So what do we look at? Well, we look at a market that needs to pull back a little bit, basically. I mean, we need to pull back. And a pullback to 33.34 is a way to go. The other thing is I'm still looking at the similarities between what happened here the last couple days and what happened back here on November 7th and November 8th. This box right here is a move down to 1754, which is a test of the 20-day simple moving average. You see the 20-day rising to meet price. If we grind sideways to lower for the remainder of the week, it's only 10 handles from here. We're trading 1838. It's 1828.14. A decent push today, something from the bears with something behind it, could get us back down to test the middle band. I'm going to tell you the same thing that I told you back in November. If we test middle band and it is support, that is a great risk-reward area to get long. Isn't it? I mean, you've got that underneath you. You're in a market that clearly wants to trade above the middle band. It traded back below the middle band, immediately came back, which is what happened here. Retest, and then we were off to the races, back up through the upper band. We could see the same thing play out here. So just be aware. Have that 20-day simple moving average on your chart, and be aware of the price action when it comes down to interact with that level. If it's, if that price is rejected, meaning we trade down to it and we bounce up suddenly and then we hold with a higher low, then perhaps it's going to be support, and that may be something you want to act on as a trader. Okay, everybody have an amazing day. Follow us on Twitter at Princetontrader. Check out the website. Subscribe to the website. You get these webcasts a lot faster, the pivots faster, the charts we do during the day. You get everything a lot earlier, and you don't have to sift through your Twitter timeline. Come check out the chat room. We got new people starting all the time, and so there's the learning curve isn't too bad because we always have new people starting, and everybody is really open about answering questions and bringing everybody along. So we would love to meet you and love to see if we could help your trading. I will be back tomorrow morning with another webcast. Trade 'em well, everybody. Have a fantastic day.